Hey there, I'm Britt.
And I'm Heather.
And this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
Beachy Beach.
So Britt, here we are at Kinsall Park in North Lynn Haven. I love the town of Lynn Haven. We've got all the different parks. This one specifically, this is where the 4th of July fireworks are every year, right here. And you get to just, you lay on the ground and you're just enamored.
You've got the water, you've got the playground, splash pad area.
Absolutely. And right around the corner, you've got all your restaurants and you've got grocery stores real nearby. And of course, great school zone here as we do all over Bay County. But what I love about why we're here is this beautiful Victorian, only 2 blocks from this spot. And you could walk it, you could golf cart it, you could drive it, however your needs. And this home is over 4,000 square feet with almost a wraparound full porch.
And on an acre of land.
In Lynn Haven, unheard of.
You just don't get that.
Yeah, and to be honest, Lynn Haven's when I used to live here, it only took me 20 minutes to get to Schooners. So I was 20 minutes to the sand and the water, which is what you want, but you're kind of off the beaten path of being the busy beach. So should we talk about this anymore or just go?
We just need to go see
Let's
this
go.
beautiful house. Let's go.
Hey there, I'm checking out this beautiful kitchen over in this Victorian home in Lynn Haven. What I love about this kitchen, besides it being so spacious, you have a great center island, plenty of cabinetry, you've got a double oven, room for appliances. One of my favorite things about this kitchen though has to be all of the windows that lead into the beautiful back porch, and you see the gorgeous backyard. All that sunshine flooding in, it just feels like Florida. Let's go check out one of the sitting rooms. When you walk into the front door, you have your choice of living rooms. Here is one of them, again with a fireplace, those plantation shutters that seem to be one of the signature tokens of this house, lots of natural light flooding in, and then off this living room, we also have a formal dining room before we get into the kitchen. Just off that first floor living room is an adorable sunroom, again with lots of natural light flooding in. You have access to the front porch and glimpses of the gorgeous backyard. There are multiple places in this beautiful home to curl up and relax.
So welcome into the main, well, it's more than an ensuite. There's so much space here for the main bedroom. We are upstairs and there are 4 bedrooms in this home, but on top of all of the extra space that you've got available to you. Not only is this a grand space with those beloved plantation shutters still here, but it also mirrors the large main bathroom that we have. You've got a huge closet and all of this space available. A nice, beautifully modernized bathroom, stand-up shower, you've got your soaker tub, and of course plenty of room in the sinks. Not only is this going on, but you have another bedroom, well, more like an office in this space, as well as the laundry room. I've got more to show you. Let's keep checking this beauty out. So welcome into this side room that is located in the main bedroom. As I mentioned, plenty of space. You can make it an office, a craft room, split it, maybe even a nursery if you had a new one coming along. And as I mentioned, what I like is you do have the laundry room upstairs, so you're not having to run up and down for all of that family laundry in a 4,000 square foot home. So additionally, in the upstairs, you've got this beautiful, nice, spacious Jack and Jill that's been updated as well. And it allows the kids from each room to access it. And there's plenty of space in these bedrooms. As expected, with a good Southern Victorian home, you've got this almost full wraparound porch around this whole beautiful home. So much space for you to enjoy that outdoor living, room for the kids to grow on a full acre. That's virtually unheard of. This home is a Southern beauty.
So for more information, look in the description below. We've got the listing link there for you to check out all of the details in this big house. And you don't want to miss that. And you don't want to miss any future deals. So make sure you subscribe to our channel, thebeachshow.com.